Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Something very different. We've got a dyno and we've got an electric vehicle. Can you believe it? So this is the Bodywell Sports and Outdoor Electric Bike. This is the model T16 Pro. You can get one of these from bodywell.co. Obviously here is the website, bodywell.com. That's bodywell.com though. It's not got an extra L at the end. It looks like this on the front of the box. This is the box, well packaged. It's a heavy package, but has it got any power? Will it go on the dyno? Let's find out. Okay, box open. Seems to be quite a bit in there. Looks well packaged with foam inserts, etc. Lots of quality bits. It's in matte black, which is lovely. Yeah, it looks like a proper bit of kit. I'm going to get this out of the box and see what we can do. Okay, so as you can see, some of the good bits are out of the box. It looks like Richard's starting to remove some protective tape. It's packaged very well, isn't it? We've got a manual. We'll maybe use that. We don't know. We don't think we're going to use it. It looks comfy, but it's starting to go together. So the rear tyre had a protective sock on it. There's a little bit more left here around the bottom. So we're just going to grab that. It's obviously to keep the tyres in good condition. I like it. I could see Dan C on one of these. Look at that brake disc. That'll stop us, won't it? That looks more like it, doesn't it?
A bit like it.
Little hot rod. Two men on it. Look at that. Rich looks excited to have a go on it.
Just started to have an accident today.
Well, we'll see. They make great content. Drive responsibly.
See who can pop the biggest wheelies. Well, that's straight away what you're aiming for, ain't it?
What, a wheelie?
A wheelie, yeah.
We got lights. Pedals going on.
Left hand thread. I was just going to say that.
Left hand thread?
Yeah.
Okay, the big turn on. Here we go. That looks like a power button to me. Ooh. 0 miles. Oh, we've got Bluetooth. Check that out. That's quite a nice display. I'm sure I'll be looking at that as I go under a bus. Let's check the front light. Beautiful. Look at that. All controlled on this little dashboard here. Look at that. It's great. This is a review the Dynodaze fans didn't know they needed.
Yeah, that's right.
We shall place bets on who could go the fastest. And he's gone.
Yeah, it assists when you pedal.
That's cool. That's another build complete.
Yeah. Give it a go.
Give it a go. All right, I will.
Yeah, seems to.
Says it hasn't done a mile yet.
Well, Richard, final thoughts. I think that'll get you around the track, won't it?
I think that's all right. You literally only have to just be moving the pedals to make it work, and then it'll zip you along. Yeah, it's all right. Just got to fix that brake switch because the wire's pulled out.
Ah, yeah. So that easy peasy for us. We'll get that sorted.
But then, yeah, it should all be as it should be.
So this will be what you're using, going around the different tracks in the country, racing your Civic, and this will keep you close to the bar at all times. Well, that's enough from us. I hope you've enjoyed this very strange little video, but we've enjoyed building it. So there she is. Look at that. Beautiful.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dynodaze performance parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dynodaze, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to DynodazePerformanceParts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.